Any moment when y'all knew y'all wanted to play music forever?
Well, gosh, when we got together, let's just kind of tell you what we put together here.
Okay.
When we got together, my wife passed away about 4 years ago.
Okay.
He went through a divorce about the same time. And we just started coming out to my house
Okay.
and hanging out.
We're parked right here. I'm walking with them.
Yeah.
And
Good job,
We
guys.
started playing left and thank you. We started playing left and right, man. We started doing things, started hanging out, and I started playing the mandolin as well.
Okay.
What happened the Christmas of 2017? My stepsister and brother-in-law got me a mandolin. I started playing that.
that was the Martin Christmas song.
Okay.
I said, what the heck? Let's start 2 or 3 more, you know?
Okay.
Did 2 or 3 more, and but going back to defining, I've been playing music since I was probably 12 years old.
Okay.
My mom and dad got me a guitar
Okay.
for Christmas one year,
All right.
and then I started realizing that there's 89,000 guitar players and only 10 drummers in the world.
Yeah.
So, and I said, well, I guess we need a drummer. So,
Yeah.
so I started playing drums. And,
Okay. Yeah, I like the little thing that you had. I've seen one other person do something similar.
Yeah. What was that?
Arkansas Dave.
Arkansas.
He's from Texas. Well, actually, he's from
He's the
Arkansas.
imposter.
No, he's actually from Arkansas, but
Okay.
he's lived in Texas.
I
Yeah.
got you.
When did y'all pick up your instruments?
I guess I was about 12, 13 years old when I
Okay.
first got a guitar.
I was probably 16.
Okay.
Well, I
16
know
or
if you,
17.
if you go all the way back to your baby pictures,
I know. I picked up a wooden instrument.
Yeah.
I made him a little fake wooden guitar, and he rocked that out. But then he was holding that Yamaha that one time, remember? The Yamaha?
Yeah, that was a real instrument. Just didn't know how to play it yet.
But he didn't really start picking up on playing until a few years ago. He could play a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
And my wife passed away, and we're getting a divorce. Just allowed us time.
Time
Okay.
to be able to play together.
Okay.
And inspiration, inspiration was there,
What? When y'all write your original music, what inspires y'all?
Oh gosh.
Just about anything, or?
Well, we have one original song right now, and that was whenever
Native Son.
Native Son.
Okay.
We played it for you.
That's the one that I recorded.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's the one I got here late. Usually I'm here early, but so
Did we do a pretty good job on it?
yeah.
All right, that was
about 1985 when you wrote it.
1985, 87.
Okay.
That was about 3 to 6 years after I was.
Okay.
Yeah. And so it's the first time I've ever played it live and in person was with him.
Okay.
Just recently. This is like the 4th time, 5th time we played it in public.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Next question?
Is there what was the first song y'all learned on y'all's instruments? If you,
Have you ever seen the rain?
okay.
Was the first one I learned.
CCR.
Well, I mean, it goes back before that, picking around stuff, but
Okay.
Have You Ever Seen the Rain was the first song that I learned on my instrument. You have a problem with dropping things sometimes.
It won't stick under my armpits like it used to.
Is there a favorite? Do y'all have a favorite album that y'all can go back and listen to over and over again?
Oh my God, The Last Waltz.
The Last Waltz by the band.
That's
The Last Waltz.
We got the DVD and we
I got the same one.
love it. It is total inspiration for us. We love Levon Camp.
Oh yeah.
Atlantic City was the one
Rick
of the
Denko.
songs that we Atlantic City was one of the first songs
The
that
band
we
does that.
Okay. So I'm talking. What did y'all do during the COVID, while y'all couldn't go perform? How did y'all keep busy?
We practice all the time. We play all the time. He comes over. Come on.
Y'all just wrote or not but played. Okay.
I still pretty much live with them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You don't live with him, but he lives with him.
Yeah. I'm trying to think. I'm doing all this by memory too. Usually I got a piece of paper now. It's like y'all. a favorite concert y'all went to?
Yeah.
Or
Oh Lord.
Heart.
Heart? Okay, Heart.
Heart is my favorite band,
Okay.
rock and roll band.
Okay.
I love music, I love them all, but Heart is my favorite rock and roll band.
Okay.
Tom Petty.
Tom Petty.
Gotta be Tom Petty.
I want to see him a little
Tom
more.
Petty and the Heartbreakers.
When I discovered Ragman, which is my favorite band, then I discovered Tom Petty. So,
There you go.
I think one more.
Now, Steely Dan was one of my favorites.
Oh,
But they were a different
category.
band
Yeah.
category than Heart. But,
Yeah.
I went to see Steely Dan and I took my wife, him, and my daughter.
okay,
I named my daughter Asia
okay,
after the album.
yeah,
So we get down to this concert, we're watching Steely Dan down in Texas. And me and him went to the bathroom and we went, we kind of said, let's go back there and talk to that security guard
yeah,
at backstage. He guarding the entrance.
yeah.
I said, we walked up there and I said, hey, if a fella named his daughter Asia after the album Asia, would that mean anything? Would they get us anywhere? And he said, you named your daughter Asia. Is she here? And I said, yeah. He said, hold on.
Oh man,
But he takes off and disappears for a while.
Man.
He comes back with 4 backstage passes with Steely Dan.
really? Oh,
In Texas, what was that? Outdoors.
I know they're playing.
It's like 9.
Yeah,
They're
he's
playing with Steve Winwood at the Anthony Rogers next year. If it don't get
That's
canceled,
right.
I'm wanting to go.
We went bad. He's a bad boy.
And,
He went with-
that's about all I've got. Sorry.
Oh,
I just,
thank you.
Oh no, you're welcome.